Welcome, my name is Tyler. I'm back again with another video. I'm here to talk about in this video digital marketing and online business skills. This is for the person that's looking to start their online journey. They want to start online business. You might not have a product or service that you want to do already. You might not know what that looks like. You might not be sure what you want to do whatsoever, but you just know you simply want to start online business that's going to help you um, put more income in your household to help you to live a better way of life and a different lifestyle, and that's fine. But the bottom line is, if you're not willing to invest in your education, which is the key to your overall success, then you're not looking to start online business. Because unless you're the person that's already got the knowledge and the skills and the background already, and you just simply position yourself online to figure out what that product or service is going to be, then that's different. But in this video, and in all my videos, I'm talking to the new person that's looking to get started, has no prior training or experience, never had a business at all, but wants to come online and get started with something. And so I'm going to give you the simplest version of how to get started in the most affordable way, in my opinion. And that's what a done for you digital marketing course that's going to teach you the business of online business for one flat investment of $500. That is so many different digital marketing courses being sold online that the price point definitely supersedes what we're selling, but the quality of it don't even come close. And so that's my opinion again, is that things that's out here, they're being sold to the new person knowing that they're already at a disadvantage. And so they're selling you information that might not be up to date, might not be valid, might not be relevant to what we're doing right now, and might not be working. They might be selling you some old school tactics and strategies that used to work, but they still selling them. And so you want to make sure the person that you purchase from is someone you first connect with. You know what I'm saying? Based on their content, videos, reels, shorts, articles, blogs, podcasts, or wherever you find them at, based on their content, that you are drawing in to them based on the connection that him or her was able to establish with you through their content. And so I'm here to be of service to the person that's looking to start their online journey. I'm here to be a trusted advisor, a valuable resource to the person that's looking to get started online but don't have a clue on where they should be going, what direction they should be flowing in, what they should be doing from day to day to day. And they want some help. They want some direction. They want some clarity. They want some information that they can invest in, learn from, grow from, and eventually start to make money from, because they understand and the message is clear that investing in you takes time, money, effort, focus, dedication, commitment, and all these different things that makes up the success we want to have down the road. Now, when it comes to having a business, in general, business is a long-term venture. You know what I'm saying? So even though starting an online business is simpler to do, it's more inexpensive to make happen, it's still the mindset that it's going to take us a minute to get it going. And that's going to vary based on your efforts. It's going to be based on the time you put into it. That's going to make the difference on how well you get the results you want to get. We have people that all move in different paces. We got our own. Everybody got their own flow. Some people move quick, some move slow. So the people that's moving slow gonna get slow results. The people gonna move quick gonna get quick results. And that's just on the fact that we talk about movement. We talk about taking daily action inside your business that's guaranteed for you to get results, because that's the reason why you're doing what you're doing. Showing up every day doing videos, showing up every day posting on social media, showing up every day creating content that speaks to your audience, target market, ideal client through your marketing message is vital. You must learn who your target audience is, and that's simply a person or a group of people that you want to work with when it comes to what you bring to the marketplace for the service or product that you're selling. So in this instance, this digital marketing course that come with master resale rights, and it's a digital asset that we get to own that we didn't create, is awesome. Because the fact and the reality of it is, if you had to go out and learn how to create your own digital course or product of any kind, the learning curve for that will take you anywhere from 3 to 6 to 9 to 12 months. And then in reality, I really don't know how long it's going to take you because it's going to be based on your efforts. It's going to be based on your commitment to get up each and every day and put the pieces together to make that course happen. And so in that situation, a lot of times people start out learning how to create their own course. But the problem with that is you might be creating something that might not be in demand. It might not be an audience for it. It might not be a market for it. And so you find out after all the investment into a digital course on how to create a digital course, that the course that you came up with, that you was excited about, that you want to bring to the marketplace wasn't popping. It wasn't in demand. It wasn't going to sell. Maybe 1 or 2 people, 10, 20 at the most, but it wasn't going to generate enough sales that you can live off of, that you can be proud of, that you can make a living from. And so that's the downside to starting your own product or service, is that you have to know that it's in high demand, it's relevant to what we're doing today, and people are looking for it. People are asking for it. People are already buying it from someone else. So you got to know that the digital informational landscape that we're on, leveraging social media, is valuable. It's awesome. And so myself, I got my own mentorship program, but that's based off 22 years of experience, 16 as a business owner in the career industry of tax preparation and taxation. So that's a different situation. But hey, you might be in a situation where you want to leverage your years of skills and knowledge as far as being in business, and you want to package it up in a way that you can resell it. That's fine as well. But the only way to do that is to learn from the digital marketing educational course that's out here that's designed to help you do that. And so if you're willing to invest in you with the education you need to have, that's going to better position you to be successful, because that's the missing link for a lot of people getting started in business. And regardless of what business it is, it's some levels of education we need to go along with what we're trying to do. For example, I will use myself as an example. When it came to me starting my own income tax business, the first thing I had to go out and do was learn how to prepare individual income taxes in order to provide tax preparation services. But that was just the bare minimum of what I needed to get started with providing the service. I didn't know how to start and grow and scale a business from the front end to the back end at all. But I knew that up front, that was something I would have to learn as I went. And so that was the key, is knowing what I didn't know and be willing to learn what I didn't know so I can get where I'm trying to go. Because on my own, I didn't have the knowledge, the skills, the insight, the training, and the know-how to build and grow my business to where I want to take it. So I know I had to keep investing in me with education, with learning, connecting with people that was already successful, connecting with people that was already where I want to be, connecting with people that was already living the type of life I want to live was important to me, being able to grow and build and become the entrepreneur I want to become. Same for you. If you're looking to start an online business, regardless of what you call it, side hustle, extra income opportunity, whatever name you want to tag to, it makes me no difference. If you're looking to make it happen online, you need education. You need skills. So education gives you the knowledge and the skills needed to get started online by letting you decide you want to pick one platform to show up on. And you get to decide for yourself what that is. So if you're a person that's already on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or LinkedIn, and say you like me, you got 5 different accounts, but you like showing up on Facebook and YouTube the best. Pick one of those 2, being brand new and inexperienced. Pick one of those 2 to show up on consistently every day. Create your content and your marketing message that's going to speak to your target audience, which is simply the person you want to sell to, the person you want to let know that, hey, I have something for you. And my marketing message speaks to that person. And once they hear the marketing message over and over again, and they decide they like who I am, they like what I have to say, they like how I represent, they like how I present the information, on a consistent basis through my videos, and they started to follow me. They started to comment. They started to ask questions. And eventually, once they get ready to take action, they will. That's the situation you want to learn how to do. And that comes through digital marketing educational course training. So if you need that, and you know you need that, then the challenge here is finding someone who has a digital marketing course that you can invest in that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the digital business online landscape of how to start and grow a profitable online business for yourself. There's a whole lot of people out here trying to sell you the course. There's so many people selling the Roadmap 2.0 that you might decide to buy from me versus somebody else. It's all about the connection I can build with you through my content. My content is simply the information that I bring to YouTube or Facebook in the form of videos or posts or articles or reels or shorts or podcasts or whatever I decide to do for us creating content. Those are the things that's going to build my credibility. Those are things going to build know, like, and trust. Those things going to build awareness to who I am, what I had to offer, what I'm about, where I'm going, where I'm headed. Do you want to go with me? Jump on board, because I'm looking to work with 100 aspiring entrepreneurs in 2024 to make 6 figures or more in 12 months or less. If you're ready to go, if you want to get on that train, and you know that the educational piece is the missing link for you, and you believe I can help facilitate your success by pointing you down the right path by first exposing you to quality digital educational training that by itself can stand alone without me. On top of that, mentorship that comes with this is a bonus, a limited bonus. In 2024, it might not come with no mentorship at all, but we don't know because we haven't hit 2024 yet. But just to let you know that time waits for no one. Thank you for watching my video. Share it with someone else, and I'll see you in my next one.